What if I told you that making $1,000 a day with Google isn't just a dream, but something you can actually start working on today? And the best part, it's completely free. Stay tuned, because in this video, I'm revealing step by step how you can tap into Google's power to create real income online. Let's dive in. Hi, everyone. Welcome back to your channel name. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more actionable tips to grow your income and build your dream life. Today, we're talking about an exciting way to make $1,000 per day with Google using simple, beginner-friendly methods that don't require any investment. By the end of this video, you'll have all the tools and steps to get started immediately. Step 1. Choosing the right Google platform. Google offers a ton of free tools that people use every day, but most don't realize how they can turn these tools into money-making machines. One of the best options is Google AdSense. This platform lets you earn money by displaying ads on your website, blog, or YouTube channel. For every click or impression, you get paid. Another opportunity is using Google's search engine to master affiliate marketing. You recommend products, and when someone buys through your unique link, you earn a commission. This can add up fast. Step 2. Getting started with AdSense or YouTube. If you don't already have a blog or website, don't worry. You can create one for free using platforms like Blogger, owned by Google, or WordPress. For YouTube, all you need is a smartphone to start recording videos on topics you're passionate about. Focus on creating content that solves a problem or entertains your audience. Once you have consistent traffic or viewers, apply for the Google AdSense program. This is where the magic begins. Step 3. Leveraging Google Trends and keywords to make sure your content reaches the right audience. Use Google Trends to identify what people are searching for. Tools like Google Keyword Planner can help you find keywords with high demand and low competition. Incorporating these into your blog posts or YouTube videos can skyrocket your views and income potential. Step 4. Affiliate marketing. Using Google Search, partner with affiliate networks like Amazon Associates or ClickBank. Find products or services that match your niche. Use Google Search to research and write helpful, optimized blog posts, or create YouTube videos that promote these products. By providing value, you'll not only help others, but also generate commissions for every sale. Step 5. Scaling up your earnings. Once you start seeing income, reinvest a portion into tools like better recording equipment or hiring a freelancer to scale your content creation. Experiment with new niches or content formats to expand your reach. Remember, consistency is key. The more high-quality content you produce, the more opportunities you have to earn. Closing. And that's how you can start earning $1,000 a day using Google. These methods require effort and patience, but they're proven strategies that thousands of people use to achieve financial freedom. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to your channel name for more amazing content like this. Let me know in the comments which method you're most excited to try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.